morning!
Morning!
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Good morning, Sanghe!
Good morning!
Parang hindi pagod ah.
Itutour ko kayo. I miss this house.
Namiss mo ba? Namiss mo?
Hello, mami, na-miss ko yung bahay. Yo, this is a storage room.
Bro, you're so early!
Why?
You're the first one!
Oh, it's okay. It's alright. And here is the task room, everybody.
Stop that. You know that it's confidential.
Oh, Kuya, I miss you na! Ibalik mo na ako dito sa bahay mo. Pagod na ako sa outside world. Kuya, Kuya, pakibalik na po ako sa bahay niyo. Pagod na po ako sa outside world. Please, ibalik niyo na ako. Please lang.
Where are you
Pagod na ako.
heading?
Ha?
Where are you heading? Where are you going to stay?
Dito na. Oh! You look.
No, no. I just closed it.
Oh, di ba? Big.
I don't know how. I just closed it.
Oh my God, I miss my house.
Hello?
Kuya! Dito na lang ako, please!
Girl, bawal mag-live. Nakita ka agad ni Ate Kat.
Ah!
Kuya, buksan mo ko.
Wala pa sila? Wala pa sila, May?
Palibasa, malapit na nga kami ito eh.
Malayo-layo pa ako, Ma.
Ay, hindi ka ba naka-check-in sa hotel?
Hindi.
We're from Mandaluyong pa.
Mandaluyong pa ako, May.
Hello po, good morning.
Good morning. Bawal daw mag-live. Sorry. Sorry. Didn't know. Haha.
Girl, what do you want?
I want white mocha nga. I white mocha frap. Less sweet. Mga 50% lang sweetness.
Yan, nanay.
We don't have any cash.
Oh, damn.
Anything.
Guys, out na ako. Kakausapin ko pa si